Welcome back to yet another video from PBI AI Agent. In this video, we're going to test how well AI can help us with writing DAX code. I've prepared a simple dataset with some quantity data for Germany by year. We're going to prompt the AI with a question as follows. We have a table that contains year, country, and a measure of quantity. I need a measure that calculates a rolling total of quantity. So each year shows the sum of the current year plus all previous years. For example, 2015 shows just 2015. 2016 shows 2015 plus 2016, and so on. Please provide a measure. We're going to be using GPT 4.1. Let's see how it performs. As we can see, the AI has provided a response, and this is the measure that it came up with. Let's see if it works. Now let's add it to this table. It looks like it worked. For 2015, it shows the same value as 2015. For 2016, it added them together, and 2024 shows the total. Good. GPT 4.1 was able to figure out a working DAX measure. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy using PBI AI Agent.